up, man? You got a driver's license?
Why?
Because you didn't use your turn signal to come in here, and your plate light is out.
My turn signal was
no, it's not.
And my plate, light is out?
Yes. You got a driver's license?
Oh my God, are you serious right now?
Just so you know, you're being recorded with audio and video.
Huh?
You're being recorded with audio and video. Can you lower that window down, please?
What is... I'm not... What is going on?
Just lower that window down.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah. I didn't tell you to get out of the car, did I?
Are you serious right now? I just pulled into the gas station to get some gas.
That's fine. Step up. Keep your hands up.
Are you serious right now?
Up. Yeah.
What are you serious right now?
Moving, dude. Why are you moving?
Oh my God, are you serious?
Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Are you serious right now?
Stop moving.
Are we clear?
Are you serious?
Stop moving. You know what?
Get your taser
Are
off.
you serious?
Let me see your hands.
Are you serious right now?
I got him, dude.
Are you serious?
Where are you?
Are y'all
moving?
serious? Oh my God! Are y'all serious?
Now you're cuffed. Now you're going
Are y'all serious?
Now you're going to jail.
Are y'all serious right now? Are you serious?
He's fine, man. You can keep going about your business.
They just threw me out the car for no reason. I pulled into the gas station. And then you slammed me to the ground and tried to break my fucking arm. Are you serious? Because I pulled into the gas station? Are you serious?
Hey!
Right
Shut up already!
No, you shut the fuck up! Damn! Y'all just...
Get out of here! Get out of here! Go! That's it. You don't know what's going on, alright? You could be a fucking felon or murder or something, right? You don't know what's going on, man. Relax.
Call my mother! Please call my mother.
Hey, Mr. Corey. Judging by your attitude and your behavior, I'm kind of worried about your mental health.
Boy, if you don't get out of here, my mental health.
Yes, the way you're taking off your clothing.
I'm a junior in college. What the heck is mentally wrong with me?
I don't know. I'm asking because.
No, you're just trying to.
No. It's all on camera. I have not had anything. All right.
You've been profiling me since.
What are you talking?
You guys drove past me and then gonna talk about my license plate light is out. Boy, get out of here with that bullshit ass excuse for pulling somebody over.
Well, you're over here taking your clothing off.
He told me to take.
Telling me that your shoulder's dislocated when obviously it's not.
I said my elbow.
No, you said your shoulder.
I never said my shoulder. I said my elbow.
But clearly you can move your hand and you don't seem in pain.
Can you leave me alone? Can I get somebody new?
No.
I don't want to talk to you, so.
Well, I'm sorry. This is what you get.
I'm not going to talk. So.
Okay. Well, like I said, we're concerned about your mental health.
In a mental hospital. So.
Well, I'm sorry. That's our decision.